Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog type of thing. So basically earlier today I was looking at colleges and universities because my deadlines are coming up really quickly. So I'm trying to narrow down like what colleges I want to apply to. I'm gonna be applying to maybe 8 colleges. So, you know, just to open up my variety, I guess. Also, we went to look at an apartment for my sister because where we live right now, it takes her like 3 hours to get to her job. So we looked at an apartment that was way closer, and here's the clip from that. Right now we have one of my cousins, sorry, I think I know that girl. One of my cousins is having a birthday party today, so we're going to be going down there and checking out that. So that takes about 2 hours to drive. So, and here is my little nephew, Metro. Metro, hi. How are you, bud? Metro, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Alright, he's not looking. But yeah, that's what's basically going on right now. And I'll keep you guys updated for what comes next. Alright, so Destiny always talks about how I go to sleep and my dad goes to sleep with their mouths wide open. And look at her. I try to get her. No, not the fedora. So we were trying to get that video of a man that had no shirt on wearing a fedora, but we missed him. He took a break and we're going straight. So okay, we just made it to the first cousin of the day. Let's just get in here and I'll show you guys what's around town. We got a pit bull in the distance. Yeah, that's a big boy. Hi.
You are kidding.
She partied
Big,
out.
so big.
I know she walking.
Hey,
Wow.
did you go to a birthday party? Huh?
They were turning up too. Kim put on some song. Find the money, go get the money. Go get the money.
Oh, go get the money, go get the money.
Yeah.
You like that one? Huh?
Zay got out the chair and took off. What the hell? She said he going to find that money. And Charlie, she was sitting there in the chair eating her cupcake. All of a sudden, she started getting it. That's why she partied out.
You were dancing at the party. What
Say, girl, I got on video. You want to see? I got on video.
She don't want to talk about nothing.
She's not liking the
Say
light.
hi, Nanny. Hey, baby. Hi, Nori. Yes, your TV.
She was good, baby. He didn't even hear me come in.
He is really tired.
Yeah, Friday and Saturday, he was tired. Tayler lived too far to be transporting stuff or leaving forgetting something. How much does she weigh? About 30 pounds. 27. It's solid. 27 on her birthday, so she probably about 30 pounds.
Okay. Okay. You don't remember me, girl.
They said, pray for me, cousin, that I get up there to see my oldest auntie before I get to. Y'all doing big things. I'm proud of you.
Bye.
And y'all coming right on behind.
Bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Legs, and more legs.
Tell Kima we attempted. She's still getting toasted off of Bud Light. Oh my goodness. Well, I do the chorus like,
Oh, I can't do the beer, boo. I'm still on my alcohol.
So they're having like a bikers club. They're having like a party like they have annually, like where they have their like motorcycles and stuff. Yeah. And we haven't came in like a while, but my grandma really likes these things, so we're gonna check it out.
No, it was the 3 that last time and then your brother.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you 21?
Yeah, she's the oldest, right?
Taylor.
Hi, how are you? Good.
You're the youngest one. Sugar. I used to call you Sugar all the time. You're the youngest girl.
No, she is.
oh my gosh, beautiful. Y'all are so pretty.
Where's the boy?
I don't blame them all these girls.
That's where it is. Come down here. Y'all gather around.
You're so bored.
You sleepy? Tired, Peanut?
Doing karaoke out there.
Tired?
Yeah. Well, they didn't go here. You can have a talent show.
It's Nanny. So right now my other cousin is having a birthday party at the same night. So we're actually like, they're having a bonfire over there and we're gonna just say hi. What's this little puppy?
And I used to take your dad to my football practices and things like that. I really did. You know, and then you get older and move and you lose some of that. You know, but hey, family is still family.
Exactly.
Regardless of what the situation is, it doesn't make any difference. It's still family. We are still family. You can never change that. Family is family. You know, yeah, that's right. You know. Well, so you done finished school, right?
Yeah.
You in college or you know graduate?
Where
Mama at? Huh?
I'm a senior.
A senior? Okay.
I'm going to graduate.
Okay. That's good. Look, and you talk strong. I just called it just light. Yeah, but we always light. Hey, I'm 16 years old.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of them, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Just like your family. There's a whole lot of the family.
What y'all been up to?
How many y'all got?
What about you?
School.
Oh, that's
Right here. I got 7. Well, it'll be 7 when Tiffany had this baby.
Oh, that's okay. No, that's okay. You was just about to have more
Yeah,
you got that. You see, I'm about to die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just hold on. I'm okay.
Watch out step. Okay.
We about to die down here.
What's up, Zach? Y'all know Zach?
That's Zach, y'all.
Hi, Zach. Oh. How are you?
Chandra.
Mom.
Zach.
Hey, Zach. Hi. How you doing?
Yeah, it's kind of hot. Kind of hot over here. Yeah. We're gonna have some.
It's like, ew.
So how do you feel, Lauren? Okay. Looks like a. Danny put that thing close. That's my dad.
Oh, I'm about to jump out the wood.
Jordan, Levi.
I ain't gonna remember all of it, but I know y'all cousins, y'all family. How you doing? How you doing? I'm not Earl. I'm not Earl. Alright. Y'all been doing alright? Yep. Good. Bro, there ain't no babies no more. Hey, Jay Lee. Hey, y'all know Jay Lee, he the DJ. Oh, hey, Tayler, he did karate. He was the first one in here. Hey, he's a black belt. Taekwondo.
Taekwondo, Shotokan, Kyokushin.
Okay.
Yeah, he used to.
This dude look like I do.
Actually,
Don't test it.
okay. Well, that was that lit party up in here. She get over the door. You got the chair. Come on, no, pull on the thing.
Come on, y'all.
Pull up, yes.
I'll say.
Y'all check them shoes off. All right, bro. Hey, had a good time. Y'all gonna jam? How long y'all gonna jam? Y'all here. You get through it. John Height was here. He a millionaire. Oh, he a millionaire. All right, bro. Love you, boy.
So here's our grandma's house again.
Lord, Chad, you done got tall. Lord have mercy. Hey. Where's CJ at?
He didn't come.
Where he stayed up in there?
He went to my next door neighbor's friend's house.
Glass on the gender. Look at that tall girl.
We've been at the bonfire.
I look white.
That's me and Lauren.
Ain't he high?
Me.
Where's me?
It's me, Jordan Gianni.
It's me.
That's what he said. Boy, you love me.
Oh, there's Jordan. You don't want to put your name
That's
in
to
there.
get you a chair. Come up.
Oh, Dad, get that thing off your head.
That's
It's a
chair
black
right
thing
there,
on your
that
head.
right there. Cut the light on.
Okay, get a napkin. I'll wipe it off.
That ran now. She must have put her ticket back in the machine, and she sit there and played. I think when and I was listening because they have a live band in the lounge area, so I was sitting there listening to the live band, and people started running past me.
I said, somebody must be fighting outside. I said, I ain't gonna get up and go see what's going on. Then a lot of people came past me flying. I said, no, there gotta be something else going on. I said, the cops or something must be behind these people. They must have done something. They just running. So then another good pack of people started running. And this white lady and her husband come past. I said, no, there's something else going on here, man. I said, excuse me. I said, what's going on? Why y'all running like that? They said it's a shooter. They said it's a shooter on the loose.
Oh my God.
And he's shooting, he just shooting. So then I got up and I tried to run. This old knee didn't let me run. So I was just trying to walk and drag the knee. And the couple that were running behind me, they said, we just checked into the Mandela Bay. We don't have no place to go. Mandela Bay, ain't that the name of it? Mandalay Bay, then, ain't it?
Yeah, that's where the guy was.
Mandalay, And they kept saying, we don't have no place to go. And I was still trying to find my key, because by the time I got to my room, because Marsha was already in the room. I didn't want to have to wait for, to knock on the door and wait for him to open the door for me. So I said, Lord, let me please find my key. And I was saying all the way, Lord, please don't let nobody shoot me in my back. Nobody shoot me in my back.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I didn't want nobody shoot
and
me
you
in my
didn't
back.
hear the shots.
Huh?
You didn't hear the shots.
I'm just going on what they said was a shooting. So when I got to my room, I put my key in the door, and this white couple said, ma'am, can we go in with you? Can we go stay in your room? Because we don't have no place to go. So I told him, yeah, come on in. And so I didn't know where Marsha was dressed. So when I put the key in the door and opened it, I said, Marsha, I'm coming in. I said, I got a couple with me. There's a shooter on the loose. And he thought they was the shooter. He jumped up. I don't know what he thought he was going to do. If they had been the shooter. So we turned the TV on, but they come in my room, boss in my room though. Cause Marsha, he stayed cold. We didn't have no air on. I think Marsha might have had the heat on in the room. And he was passing a little gas. And the room was a little fuming like. And then the girl said, oh, I need some air. I'm hot. I need some air. So she turned my air way up. And it was cold in there. It got cold. So I stood
How long did they stand there?
Wait a minute. So I stood it for a while. I said, then 1 o'clock come. The man looked at me. He said, ma'am, do you mind if we stay in the room with y'all all night? He said, we don't mind sleeping on the floor if we have, sleep on the floor. I was ready to say, yeah, I'm not thought. I said, I can't say, yeah, I got to ask Marsha. Yeah. So Marsha had fell back asleep. Oh my. I said, Marsha, they want to know, can they stay in the room all night tonight?
And they were just watching you as you asked?
Yeah, so Marsha told, yeah. So they stayed in there all night long. Oh I just sat up in there because they had a chair with a footstool. I just sit up in the chair all night. I told them, I said, y'all can have that bed. Because we had double beds in the room. I said, y'all can have that bed over there. I didn't mind them staying in the room. I just wasn't comfortable going to sleep around them. Yeah. So I might have dozed one time.
That's not bold.
So you were just watching them sleep?
Yeah, but you were asked to if you were just running.
Yeah, how would you feel if you tell them no? When
I can tell them no. And so that morning they rented a car. She must have texted rented them a car, and they went because they were from Washington State. And they rented a car and drove back home the next morning. I told them, I said, we've been coming to Vegas for years, and this is the first time this ever happened. I said, you shouldn't let that, discourage you from not seeing Las Vegas, because it's a beautiful place, and there's a lot of fun things to do in Las Vegas. I said, because, it could be anywhere. You could be anywhere and it can happen. You can be at home and it can happen, But they didn't. And her father must have called her husband and told him, don't he dare rent no car and drive his daughter back home. Stay there and enjoy their vacation. But he must have was scared. They were real scared now. They were scared. Yeah. They were scared. Yeah. Yeah. Well.
Hey, Vegas. You made it back safely, huh?
Huh?
You made it back.
Stop following the current, puppies.
Hold him in the room.
Don't follow it. Don't follow it. Go.
You all the people. Hold him in the room, baby. See you later, baby. Oh,
Get the ball. Don't throw the ball outside.
Don't.
See, Marshall. Do you want this? Oh, you a Dustin? Do y'all want these bad spreads in here? You may not want them because y'all so funny.
Upstairs. Yeah.
Yeah, she told us about
right
that.
over me.
Yeah.
Oh
no.
What happened? Are they inside? In the house? On the table? Are they inside in the house on the table?
Where I was eating. Lord have mercy, Jesus.
What happened to all the music? Is all the music
Yeah,
over
at
with?
11 o'clock they turn it down.
Oh.
Yeah. Because wasn't nobody doing nothing anyway. You know, it rained.
She's gone.
It just messed things up. Oh. Yeah. Because we were out there having a good time. Child, that rain came and that wind. Woo. I thought it was going to turn all those tents over.
How was it yesterday?
Huh?
How was it yesterday?
It was beautiful.
Oh.
Beautiful. We ain't go in, I think it was like 1 o'clock. Yeah. You coming down Tuesday?
You want me to take you to the doctor?
Yeah, I want you to go with me.
Which one you having this time?
Going to the eye doctor.
And you got to get
I don't know what I got to get, but they get me straight for my appointment. Lord, I just pray they don't mess my eyes up. Oh, Lord. Speaking of messing with eyes, good Lord, I can't even fathom that.
Yeah, I hope not. I hope it goes well.
Oh, Lord. Say I got to wear a patch and then I got to put stuff in my eyes. And I don't want to think about it.
All right.
Okay.
Goodbye. Love you.
All right.
Good night. Have a good night's sleep.
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.